Here's a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS convertible. As you can see, it does have the RS badging, headlight covers, and it does have a 3L on the data tag, which, as far as I can tell, determines that this did have the RS package installed on it from General Motors. It's also an R paint code car, which would be Bolero red. It did come with a black vinyl top. Top on it is still black, so those would be just like it came from the factory. And there's a 742 interior code, which would be the red deluxe bucket, I believe it was, or red custom bucket, so that would also be correct. Underneath the hood, 327 small block Chevy, power steering, power brake car. It's also paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It does have front disc brakes, and I believe that was also part of the RS package. Very nice car. This car was actually restored 2010, so it's only approximately an 8-year-old restoration, and it shows. Car's in very nice shape. Take a look at the interior. Automatic shifter on the floor, of course, with the bucket seats. Does have a power top. I don't know if I mentioned that before. It does have a power top. Switch for that is underneath the dash. Paint has a nice luster to it. Car is straight. Very straight car. Up and down it. Rear spoiler. Bright work is decent on the car. I'd consider this a very nice driver quality car, if not just a little bit above that. You can check out the still pictures if you want to see the interior engine bay underneath the car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on rallies and some BF Goodrich radials. Very nice look for this car. I'm going to go around. The headlight doors do work also. Going to give you an idea on that. There's a switch right here. Down is open. We'll swing around to the front, show you that they work. There's the RS insignia in the center steering wheel. Odometer reads 86,000 and some odd miles, 86,377. See the stereo, center console, shifter. Slip around, check out those headlight doors. As you can see, they do work. Go ahead and fire this up too so you can hear it run. Got a nice little rumble to it. Switch for that convertible top is down under on this side right here, left of the driver's column. You can see the car fires right up. Good idea what the dash looks like. Go ahead and slip around back so you can hear this rumble. Nicely, the door closes. RS insignia in the gas cap, and then those backup lights, I believe, underneath the bumper are also RS appearance package. Nice sounding car. Nice running car. If you'd like to know more, please feel free to give us a buzz. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Or like I said, those underside pictures, engine bay, interior, the top, convertible top. You can check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1967 Camaro RS convertible, 327, automatic transmission behind it, turbo 350, power steering, power brakes. Restored in 2010, originated out of Virginia. Factory red, R code, Bolero red paint. Beautiful car. Give us a call.